In 1977, humanity launched two remarkable machines, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. They were not just spacecraft, they were our eyes and ears sent to explore the unknown. Voyager 2 launched first, followed by its twin, each on a daring path to the outer planets. Their mission, to see what no one had seen, to answer questions about distant worlds. These probes were built to endure the harshness of space, carrying our hopes into the darkness. The launch was more than technology. It was a bold act of optimism. The dream to see Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune up close to uncover their secrets. The Voyagers were our message in a bottle, cast into the cosmic ocean. We didn't know if anyone would ever find them, but sending them was what mattered. It was a gesture of connection, a reach across the void. The Voyagers symbolized our hope and courage to find out if we are alone. They began their journey as tiny specks of human ingenuity, carrying the dreams of an entire planet. This was exploration at its purest, driven by curiosity, not conquest. The act of sending them was a promise to keep exploring no matter how far. The Voyagers are humanity at its best, and so they set off into the vast unknown. Each Voyager carried a golden record, a time capsule, our greeting to the cosmos. It held 115 images, our science, art, daily life, and a diagram of DNA. Sounds of Earth filled the record, a baby's cry, ocean waves, a whale's song, a volcano's rumble. Music from Bach to Chuck Berry and traditional songs from around the world created a symphony of life. Greetings in 55 languages offered a chorus of hello from our blue world. The record's cover was a map etched in the language of science, showing how to play it and where to find us. A pulsar map pinpointed our sun's location, a cosmic return address. This was a bold invitation. This is where we lived. This is when we sent this message. The golden record was more than a message for extraterrestrials. It was a message for us. It reminded us of our unity, our shared humanity, and how small our differences are in the face of the cosmos. Curated by Carl Sagan's team, it blended science and wonder. The record is art, science, and hope, likely to outlast every structure on Earth. It's a silent ambassador sailing through the stars. The golden record is a reminder we are one family, reaching out together. It's our symphony for the stars, our story cast into eternity, and it will travel on long after we are gone. The Voyager missions were possible thanks to a rare planetary alignment, one that happens only every 176 years. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune formed a perfect arc, enabling the Grand Tour. Using gravity assists, each planet flung the spacecraft toward the next, saving decades of travel. This cosmic billiards game was a marvel of planning and precision. The alignment was fleeting. The mission had to launch in 1977 or wait 2 centuries. NASA's team seized the moment, knowing this was their one shot. Each flyby built on the last, revealing a dynamic, complex solar system. The Voyagers surfed gravitational waves, their journey a carefully choreographed ballet. The Grand Tour proved we could use the laws of the universe to achieve the extraordinary. We were learning to navigate the cosmic currents. In 1979, the Voyagers reached Jupiter, and everything changed. Up close, Jupiter's great red spot was a raging storm larger than 3 Earths. The planet was a canvas of violent, swirling storms and jet streams, but the real surprises were its moons. On Io, Voyager saw erupting volcanoes, active geology beyond Earth for the first time. Io was the most geologically active body in the solar system. Europa, another moon, looked like a cracked eggshell. Its smooth, icy surface hinted at a hidden ocean beneath, possibly a place for life. These discoveries rewrote our textbooks. Moons could be dynamic, and the ingredients for life might be common. Jupiter's encounter revealed a solar system alive with fire, ice, and hidden oceans. The Voyagers showed us that even small worlds could hold big surprises. Our understanding of the solar system was forever changed. The journey had only just begun. The universe was more wondrous than we'd ever imagined, and the Voyagers pressed on. Voyager 1's next stop was Saturn, the solar system's jewel. Its rings, once thought solid, were revealed as countless icy particles, an intricate, shimmering system. Tiny moons shaped the rings, creating braids and kinks, while mysterious spokes appeared and vanished. The rings were dynamic, alive, and ever-changing. Saturn's largest moon, Titan, was shrouded in a thick orange haze. Voyager's instruments found Titan's atmosphere denser than Earth's, rich in nitrogen and methane. Methane could rain, flow, and evaporate, hinting at a methane cycle like Earth's water cycle. Titan became a window into prebiotic chemistry, a frozen snapshot of early Earth. Voyager 1's close flyby of Titan meant it couldn't visit Uranus or Neptune, but the data was worth the sacrifice. Saturn and Titan revealed new worlds of complexity and possibility. The mission's risks brought profound rewards, and the journey continued. Voyager 2 alone continued the grand tour, reaching Uranus in 1986. Uranus, tilted on its side, rolled around the sun with bizarre seasons. Voyager found a bland atmosphere, but discovered new moons and rings. Miranda, a tiny moon, was a patchwork of canyons and cliffs, a puzzle of violent history. In 1989, Voyager 2 reached Neptune, expecting a quiet world. Instead, it found the Great Dark Spot, a massive storm, and the fastest winds in the solar system. Neptune was vibrant, not frozen. Its moon Triton orbited backward and was geologically active, with cryovolcanoes erupting nitrogen frost. Even at the solar system's edge, there was dynamism and surprise. The Neptune flyby was a spectacular finale to the planetary tour. Voyager 2's discoveries expanded our sense of what's possible. The solar system was more alive than we'd ever dreamed. The edge was just the beginning. The Voyagers pressed onward. After the planets, the Voyager's mission was far from over. They ventured into the outer solar system, measuring the solar wind and the boundaries of our sun's influence. They crossed the termination shock, entering the turbulent Helios sheath. In 2012, Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause, the true edge of the solar system, into interstellar space. Voyager 2 followed in 2018. For the first time, we were sampling the galaxy directly. The Voyagers became interstellar explorers, measuring the density, temperature, and magnetic field of the space between stars. Their journey was a quiet leap for humanity. We had finally reached the stars. The little probes kept going, sending back data from the galactic frontier. They were our scouts on the cosmic shore. The universe was no longer out of reach. The Voyagers had crossed the final frontier. Even in the interstellar dark, the Voyagers made one last discovery. Their instruments detected unexpected increases in plasma density, evidence of the cosmic web. The universe, it turns out, is a vast, interconnected structure of filaments and voids. The Voyagers were flying through these filaments, directly measuring the structure of the universe. This was the first physical evidence of the cosmic web. Our solar system is part of a grand, interconnected network. Even in emptiness, there is structure and connection. The Voyager's final revelation: we are all woven into a cosmic tapestry. Their journey ended as a quest to understand the universe itself. They showed us that even the void is full of wonder. In 1990, Voyager 1 turned back and captured the pale blue dot, Earth as a single pixel. That image is the Voyager's greatest gift, a lesson in humility and perspective. The missions expanded our sense of home, inspiring generations of explorers. Their discoveries, Jupiter's storms, Io's volcanoes, Saturn's rings, Neptune's winds, are now part of our story. The Voyagers proved what we can achieve together, driven by curiosity and hope. Their power is fading, but their legacy endures in every mission that followed. The spirit of Voyager is the spirit of exploration. They are our farthest ambassadors, carrying our story into the galactic night. They may travel for billions of years, long after we are gone. The Voyagers remind us we are all travelers on this pale blue dot. Our greatest adventures lie in our shared quest for knowledge. The journey of Voyager is our journey, and it has only just begun. The stars await.